In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go live on Squarespace in just about 5 minutes. Whether you've just built your dream site on Squarespace or you're ready to unveil an updated version to the world, going live is a big step, and I'm here to walk you through it seamlessly. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Squarespace's website. This is where every journey to going live begins. Once there, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, which should be fairly easy to spot on the home page. Clicking this will direct you to the login page. Now, for those of you who have used Google services with Squarespace, there's a convenient option to continue with Google. Click on the Continue with Google button. This will simplify the process, especially if you're not up for remembering another password. After clicking on Continue with Google, you'll need to select your Google account. This should be the account associated with your Squarespace site. If you've got multiple Google accounts, make sure you choose the correct one that you used during the Squarespace sign-up process. Once logged in, it's time to head over to your website. If you have multiple sites, select the one you're planning to go live with. This can be done by visiting the general dashboard of your Squarespace account, where all your sites should be listed. Now let's dive into the settings to make this site live. On your site's dashboard, look for the settings option. The design of Squarespace's dashboard makes it relatively straightforward to find the settings, so this shouldn't be too hard. Within the settings menu, there's an option labeled Site Availability. Click on this to proceed to where you can change your site's visibility status. It's essential to understand that this setting controls who can see your site, from just you to the whole world. To make your site accessible to everyone on the internet, click on the option marked Public. This action opens the gates to your website, allowing anyone to visit and view your content. The next immediate step, and it's an important one, is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which usually resides at the top or bottom of the page. Clicking Save ensures that your changes to the site's availability don't get lost in the digital ether. Once the changes are saved, you're tantalizingly close to the finish line. The final step is to publish your site. There should be a conspicuous button or prompt to publish your site, signaling the last action needed to officially go live. Before we wrap up, there's a crucial piece of information for those using free accounts on Squarespace. The option to go public with your site, turning it from a private project to a live website, is not available until you've opted into a subscription. If you're serious about your site, taking the plunge with a subscription is definitely worth considering, as it unlocks the full potential of Squarespace's features. And that's it. You've now successfully made your website live on Squarespace. Remember, going live is just the beginning. The real journey starts with how you manage, update, and grow your site from here on out. Don't be afraid to dive back into Squarespace's plethora of features and customization options to refine and improve your site. Thanks for following along, and here's to your online success.